I wouldn't, yeah, I would say that's pretty accurate. I think one thing I would say though is that some people will, and I did this for a while too, like will kind of say like, oh, well, if I don't, if I'm with carbohydrates, for example, and sugar, if it's causing all this kind of pollution, like you mentioned, or people will say inflammation, right? Then why would I ever want to go there, right? But I think, again, it comes back to what, like the specific goal that you have. It also comes back to the foods that you're eating too, because this is something that I think a lot of people get a little confused, is that when someone refers to processed foods or packaged foods or, candy and things like that, people immediately think that that's all carbohydrates and sugar. And yeah, it is. There's a lot of sugar and carbohydrates in there too, but there is also fat in there too. So it's those two things combined in the process, and that side of things is something that we also need to understand too, because again, when we're going back to the strawberries and the sweet potatoes and the whole foods, those are things that, will have a different effect in your body if you're having, a sweet potato versus a bowl of pasta or, some bread, like Wonder Bread. They have different effects in your body based off of the nutrients you're absorbing, based off the fiber, all of that. So that's also things that we need to think about, just like kind of the quality of the food as well.